Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And as you can see in front of me, 1, 2, 3, 4. We had the orange black series, we had the safety car red black series, we had the silver black series, and last but not least, of course, we had the TWOC MOM blue colored AMG black series. And those were all the 4 that I had for the past 2-3 months. So yeah, there were a few people that commented and also DM'd me, when are you gonna get the SHMEE 150? When are you gonna get it? Honestly, at first I did not manage to order it from the website before it sold out. It sold out within, I would say, 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes, and it was not short. That was quite fast actually. It was yeah, quite fast. I contacted the even the what do you call that, the seller and sorry, the management team behind Tarmac Works, and they didn't have any spares, so I had to buy one off of resellers, of course, and I managed to secure one right here so that I can review it to you guys, as many of you requested. The SHMEE 150 Mercedes AMG GT Black Series, colored in yellow. Is it the yellow? Yes. So this is colored in yellow, as you can see, as many people requested, from orange to red to gray to blue. See, orange, red, gray, and blue, and now yellow for the SHMEE version right here, which is one of the latest ones to release from Tarmac Works. And yeah, many people loved it. Even SHMEE added a pre-order before Tarmac Works did, so that people are able to purchase it. The SHMEE 150 AMG Black Series, one of my favorites as well. And yeah, it's finally in my hands so that I can review it for you guys. So I guess let's take a look at our box first here. So let's see. Yeah, yellow and black colored box. As you can see, the SHMEE text is sort of like a carbon effect, which I like. Love the design of that. It's quite nice. It does say Tarmac Works right there. There we have the car, which is the AMG GT Black Series SHMEE 150 right there. Over on this side, it says Global 64. There's the back end of the car, 164 scale model. So it has the long box, pretty much similar to our Tarmac Works Owners Club version, which was in blue. And yes, not many people have the Owners Club version. So Tarmac Works right there. And then over on this side, so it says Global 64 AMG GT Black Series SHMEE 150 SH61MEE, which is his license plate on this car. Very nice. Where else? Here it's the bottom. Over on the top, of course, you have the Tarmac Works logo right there, as per usual. Over on the back right here, yes, you do have the Tarmac Works logo, Tarmac for good. The Mercedes-Benz logo. I did not order it from I did not order it from CLDC, but there is a sticker here. But I bought it from a local reseller here, so maybe they bought it from CLDC. Who knows? Small size, big heart, 164 scale. There is the Tarmac Works socials, as well as SHMEE's socials and his website. So yeah, Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series SHMEE 150, made in China. There's your barcode right there. And I believe that's all for our SHMEE 150 car. So let's go ahead and open this up so you guys can take a close look at our SHMEE 150 Mercedes-Benz AMG Black Series in yellow. So it is supposed to represent the real car, which SHMEE owns over at the US, of course. Sorry, UK. Right, yeah, I think. And yeah, I really like the color of this one. It is a very, very nice looking yellow colored AMG GT Black Series. Just look at the shine on that car, the color right there. That is just stunning indeed. I really like that. So yes, it is a yellow colored AMG GT Black Series. Yes, this car actually is basically his car, SHMEE, Mr. Tim Burton, or Tim Burton. He does live in the UK, as you may know, and of course he is a YouTuber as well. But basically he reviews the real cars, of course, and decides to collaborate with Tarmac Works on making this beautiful looking AMG Black Series, which I like. Really love the color, and I guess many people, especially all do as well, those that are watching this video. Look at the color right there. That is so nice. Now it is a bit of glare on the car, as maybe the color is too bright, I'm not sure. So yeah, a beautiful looking color right here. So yeah, he used to own just a regular AMG GT, I believe the AMG GT-R if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, he sold that quite a long time ago and decided to buy the SHMEE Mobile, the new SHMEE Mobile, which is this AMG GT Black Series, which if I'm not mistaken he did bring it along to Gumball, I think, I'm not sure. But yeah, it does look definitely as great as the AMG GT-R, which he basically sold. The white colored AMG GT, which yeah, he used to own in his collection, and now he owns the Black Series, which is actually a really nice addition to his collection, with the number plate of SHMEE. So yeah, a very nice looking color for the car, I would say. At the end of this video, who knows, maybe I might take out all of the colors so that you guys can see it side by side, of course. So we'll start off with the car over here, the beautiful looking SHMEE 150 Mercedes AMG GT. So we shall start. So the rims, yes, for the past 4 videos I've done with the AMG GT Black Series, they pretty much have the same set of rims, which are these Mercedes-Benz rims right here, which are quite nice. I'd say they are 10 spokes with the silver lining and also the rubber tires right there. We do have this blacked out lining right here at the bottom as well, which is very nice. You do have the front tires as well, some intakes right here at the front, as well as the door right here with the door handle, as well as the gas cap right there as well. The side mirror right here, which is rubber, or is it plastic? It is plastic. Pretty nice matte black side mirror right there. Over on the front, pretty nice as well. We do have the headlight details on the car. Right there, the Mercedes-Benz logo with the front grille, which looks aggressive and very nice. Yeah, very nice as well. A vertical front grille pattern right there, and it does say SH61MEE with the extended front splitter right here on the front, which yeah, in track basically you can extend it towards the front or push it inwards, so that is either if you want to pull it out, you can increase the drag on the racetrack if you want to drive it on the track itself, or you can just keep it inside if you want. There are some intakes here as well, over on the hood as well, of course. Yeah, a bit of black right here on the top, both sides, which are symmetry and very nice. Massive front hood as well right here. Regular windshield tint, blacked out interior. which is left-hand drive right there, very nice. Blacked out hood, roof as well, which I really like. Yeah, love the side right here, very nice. A clean looking side view of the car. Massive rear spoiler right here with kind of two-leveled side rear spoiler here, with I believe a bit of active aero at the back right here as well. So you do have the brake lights, Mercedes-Benz logo, the rear lights as well, and of course the reverse lights, I think. So yeah, as you can see at the back right here, very nice. Love the twin exhaust tips on each side as well. The rear diffuser, very nice. Over on the base right here, you do have a metallic blacked out base with the word Tarmac Works. Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series made in China. And yes, you do have two screws, one front and one back. So yeah, here you are. Let me just show you all of the colors of the AMG GT Black Series that have been released so far. We have the orange one, which was the first release, and then was the CrowdStrike safety car Formula 1 release, the silver version, and then after that the TWC MOM matte blue color version, and then last but not least, of course, the latest one, which would be the SHMEE 150 release, which is in yellow. And yeah, those are all the 5 colors of the AMG GT Black Series that have been released by Tarmac Works this past while. And yeah, I really do hope that they will make more colors of these AMG GT Black Series, as I will collect them all. Just that it depends whether I will get them early or not, as yeah, pretty much similar to this SHMEE AMG GT. Basically I got the car a bit late, but still managed to review it for you all to watch. So yeah, that is all for my review today regarding these AMG GT Black Series. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching some other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.